My name is Sibi Thomas. I run a workshop in Abu Dhabi, UAE for last 5 years. It's called Grace Auto Repair Workshop. And for last 6 months, I'm using GaragePlug, and it has definitely given a boost to my business in terms of time, money, performance, everything. The advantage of GaragePlug for my business, in the sense, it gave me an advantage to send the estimate, invoicing, customer interaction. Everything was good. It saved a lot of time. Now the advantage is that I can send the quotation through WhatsApp immediately, directly send the pictures. Very good, and I can monitor all the details in my phone, in my PC, laptop, everything. So I can control my business 24 hours.